what we're going to do is use the gingerbread. This is how it might look. Now look, think about using these with the stamps you've got in your dies that you've got in your collection, because I think that with that merry stamp, that merry die that we've got now is just a marriage made in heaven, don't you? I really do think it's fab. Right, I'm going to put those inks back, and I'm going to find my sandstone, Chinese red and twilight grey. So sandstone, is that my sandstone? Yes, Chinese red, haha, and twilight grey. This might be the one that takes me a few goes to look at. Oh no, there we go. So that's the one I'm going to use first. That's going to use for my second layer, and that one I'm going to use for my third layer. Okay, let me just pull this chair forward. I'm slipping backwards today. And again, like before, you've got 3 sets of stamps. So if you have a look, somewhere on the carrier sheet, there will be a number. So you've got a 3 on that one, a 2 on that one, and a 1 on this one. And that's the one we're going to use first. So this one we're going to be stamping with our sandstone to start with. So we'll pop the carrier sheets just down here. They're beautiful stamps as well. You know, even if you just love stamping and you want to have a go at these, there's such a nice way of getting them. You will be getting the opportunity to get a complete collection on the show in the UK. I know you will. And I have no doubt there will be individuals as well. So up to you. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to stamp the layering stamps, and we're using 3 different colours. So not using the colour family, 3 different colours. And the colours I'm going to use are Sandstorm, Chinese Red and Twilight Grey. These are going to be, here we go, these are coming in. And I'm going to, you can see, just ink those up. And then we are going to pop them down. And right, here we go. So I'm turning it over, having a look, making sure I've got the heart facing me, because that's going to help me lining up, and then press down. So that is going to give me my first layer. Give it a good press, and we'll just pop that. So there we are, first layer done. And that was done with the sandstone. And we will take this off and pop it straight back. I will wipe these down between uses, but for now I'll just pop that to one side. I'm just cleaning that off. We don't need the excess. So layer 2, and it says layer 2 just here. What I'm going to do is stamp that with the Chinese red. So again, keep your carrier sheets, because that's the way you know you'll have the layers for the future. And we're going to line this up on the block and use our Chinese red on layer 2. Gosh, that is super red, isn't it? How beautiful. How beautiful is that? Now, it won't make a difference, but just for the sake of it, I'm just going to take that bit away because I don't need it there. Okay. Now, when you layer up, again, what you're going to do is go over the top, find your first one, make sure it's in the position that you want it to be. I'm just having a bit of a jiggle. There we go. That's it. And then press down, commit. There we go. And then when I lift this off, isn't that fab? I think these are wonderful. Look, we've got stripes on the candy cane. The little gingerbread men have got red dungarees. You've got the detail in the baubles. Looks beautiful. So now we just need to add the final layer of detail, the final layer of detail to these. So, I mean, how else would you do this unless you had layering stamps? It would be almost impossible to do. So the final layer is going to add that final layer of detail. It's going to add the eyes for the snowman and the edges. So again, pop it down, pop this on, and we're going to stamp this one using our twilight grey. Our twilight grey, there we go. And with our twilight grey, what I'm going to do is, again, I'm standing up and hovering just to make sure that I get this where I want it to be. There we go. I need to just swing that round a bit. I'm at a bit of a wonky angle there. I think that is pretty good. So when you're happy with where it is, pop it down, pick it up. Oh, look at that. Isn't that fab? So that is going out to someone, and this is what you could be making with it. How wonderful.